So in this lesson, we're just going to look at how to create and save a Google Doc. So let's head on into the Year 7 computing folder. And we're going to create a folder here called Computing Basics. So from the computing folder, we go into New, and then Folder, and then Computing Basics. And then press Create. Now, if we were to go New and Google Doc here, what would happen is your new Google Doc would get saved here. But in actual fact, we don't want to save it here, but I'm going to show you that in a second. But where you actually want to save it is going to be in here, okay? But let's just go back, and just presuming that I mess up, I'm just going to save it here to start off with. So I'm going to go New, Google Doc, okay, and here it is. Let's just give it a name, and we'll call it My First Doc. And you've been asked to do several things in this task. If you click away from it, it will save that. But before we get going, let's just close this window and let's go back. So you'll see that we've created this Computing Basics folder, but nothing's in there. Because we saved it in the wrong place. Now, if you want to move it into this folder, it's really simple. You just click and you drag and then you drop, and it will go into that folder. If you wanted to move it out, you can actually right click and you can actually say move to. So if this was the wrong place, you can actually say move to, and then you can actually decide where you want to move it to based on all of these different folders that populate here. Okay, so anyway, we've got it in the right place, so let's reopen it. And don't forget to save it as a name, otherwise it will always be called untitled document or something like that. So you are going to write some kind of title here, and you are going to format this title. So you can say bold, or you can say let's make it really big. You can change the font just like you would do in Word, nice and simple. You can also center it. After that, you're going to want to create some more text. Obviously you don't want it 36, let's go back to 12. Let's take it off of bold and let's move it out of the center, and then you can start writing, hi, my name Mr. C. Okay, and we get a whole bunch of things that we can put here, but that's absolutely fine. Now you're going to write this and you can format it however you want. If you want to change the color, that's absolutely fine, not too worried. If you want to add images, you can also add images. So let me just show you how you might want to add an image. So if we head on over to Google, for instance. So I'm in google.com and I could say people. And then we have this images tab. So let's just click on the images tab. And let's say, for instance, we want this picture here. So I'll just click on it once and it opens in this window. Now what you're going to do is you're going to right click and you're going to go down to the button that says copy image. So press the button that says copy image, then go back to your document. And then here, if you right click, you get this paste option, or you can say Control V. Also up here, where it says edit, you can also paste it from here as well. So let's just do that again. Right click, paste, and then paste again, and there you go. And that's how you would put an image into your document as well.